guys. It's you have this on your head. But anyways, I've been gone for a while, so I am back, and I have a special guest, Ashley. Yeah, so she wanted to do a YouTube video, so we are back barefaced, and we are going to do a seafood boil. Since she's a special guest and she loves seafood, so we decided to do a seafood boil. And also, one of my viewers recommend that I try this macaroni, one of their favorite macaroni, which we are also trying. So far, it smells great.
Oh, we're taking bites.
It tastes good. It looks good. I will link this underneath the video. It was recommended by one of my viewers.
Hey.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's onions.
Mm-hmm. So we'll be having this with just regular garlic butter sauce. No beloved today. It's actually late over here, so we're doing a late seafood boil. Here's a plate.
Oh. Thank you.
Here's one.
Was there eggs in there?
And the
Macaroni?
yep. You don't like boiled eggs, right?
I don't like boiled
Oh, you don't like eggs.
I don't like eggs.
Oh, it's eggs in there. How did you tell it's eggs?
I don't know. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's eggs.
I wasn't around. Thought it was cheese.
It has cheese too. All right, go ahead, dig in.
Wait. Hmm? You said dig in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Mm-hmm. Take the first couple start to see. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez, why is the tail so hard to come off? Yours was, mine wasn't. I'll come back for you. Yeah, you really are. Okay.
Actually, we can steal you.
Oh.
I have the small little potatoes.
I should have gotten napkins before.
Oh, we usually do that, or we get KJ to do it.
Oh, it's still here?
And this is just a butter sauce. You didn't try the pilaf sauce.
That was good. Is that one spicy? Yeah, spicy. Okay, you cooperate. The sausage is really good.
I love the sausage. You know, I forgot to add boiled egg.
You're gonna be the only one to eat.
I figured, so that's why I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother. Because I know I'm gonna be the only one. One thing about seafood, it gets cold fast.
Mm-hmm. Just for the signal out you.
With some good old macaroni. It's good. You eat that shrimp and you take some macaroni. Good. It's probably already cold.
Of course it is.
Ooh, sorry.
How you liking it?
It's good.
It's good? So there's no topic today. We're just eating. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, so.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Are you down?
The way she just.
Start?
I'm pretty sure you dropped some meat macaroni.
Amen.
What can you do? Oh, we'll get next time. That's what you can do.
The butter's good. That macaroni is good, right?
It's one of the best macaronis I ever had. And this is real good. This is real good.
Yeah.
It's satisfying to watch the crab just break and not the meat. Like, just break the bone, but the meat comes out all straight.
Do you do that too?
I try to, but if it doesn't work out, then I'm just like, oh.
Because it never work out for Christy.
Don't say never.
Most of the time it don't work for her.
Let's see.
Crab is good.
Okay, let's start
You
slowing.
see? Boom.
And that macaroni and cheese.
The crab is good.
Look at it. I already knew what to expect, so. But it's delicious.
Guys, we're not eating the potatoes.
I ate the potatoes. I don't like them so big though.
Is that hand clean?
What?
Which hand is clean? Neither?
Both hands.
So you can pull up my sleeve, please.
Both of my hands are clean, but I'm gonna use my pinky. How do you like your seafood boil? With those extra sauce?
Me?
Or you just like it with butter?
When I go to Juicy Crab, okay. So, Juicy Crab, they have like 5 different sauces. One's just like garlic butter. Another one's just lemon pepper. One's like they have a Juicy Crab special where they combine. Oh, there's one Cajun. There's Cajun.
Right.
And then they have one that's like all combined, and they call it the Juicy Special. I usually get the Juicy Special that's hot or mild, depends on how I'm feeling. I never really had it plain, but it's good.
So you never had it like with butter?
Yeah, it's good.
That's how we usually have it. Not homemade. We usually go to this restaurant in Winter Haven.
Oh, I think, is that the one you took me to?
I took you there?
Well,
Oh, I got everybody a plate.
you got everybody a plate.
Yeah, that's how we usually have it with butter.
That was really good.
Yeah, until B-Love came out with that sauce, then we started using her sauce.
I've never had her sauce.
I have some.
Really?
Yeah. I have some of her sauce. I just, wanted to keep it simple since it's late. And her sauce is spicy.
Too.
Now she has a mild one out, but
Oh, so it's just hot, not mild.
no, the one I have is hot. But she also have a mild one that's out. But it gets sold out so fast. You have to be lucky to get it. Or be on time.
Did anybody eat the corn? I feel like it's gonna be cold now.
Corn?
Mm-hmm.
No, you?
I don't feel like.
I ain't
Do
good
you have
for
floss?
I have Q-tip. I said Q-tip. Toothpick.
I guess that'll do.
Yeah, we'll do. The crab was like steaming and now it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dang it. I was so close to pulling it out perfectly.
It's sweet too.
Mm.
You done with your macaroni?
Yeah.
Oh, girl. She's a big fan of it.
Told you. One of the best macaroni.
Mm-hmm. It has mustard in it too.
Mustard?
No wonder.
Really?
What else is in it?
Eggs,
I guess
black
that.
pepper, onions.
Yeah, I can feel the onion.
Oh yeah, I taste that.
Yeah, I need mustard in it.
Macaroni is so good. You done with that plate? Why don't you move out the way? Unless you can get more macaroni and cheese.
I need seafood. I need to save room for the seafood.
Okay.
No, I fuck.
So Ashton,
Mm-hmm. The sausage is really good.
since you are the guest,
Since I am the guest, you dropped it on my finger.
how you liking it being a high school graduate?
I'm not as stressed as I was in high school. I don't have to worry about turning everything in on a time.
You stressed?
I was stressed. Literally, I had like,
I'm dying.
let me not say that. But every week it was just like something different, something new with a different class, probably the same class. It was just horrible. What was it? I was about to fail chemistry, and I wasn't gonna graduate.
Wait, so you were stressed in school?
Yes,
But
school
life,
is stressful.
so is life.
Yeah.
Life haven't hit.
I know.
Remember I told you guys, once you graduate high school, it's like, oh, I can't wait till you get out of high school.
Oh no, I never said that. Mm-mm.
That's right there.
I didn't want to be a grown up. I still don't want to be a grown up.
Oh, that's when the bills gonna start hitting you. And you're gonna be wondering how did I get all those bills?
I don't even want to talk about it. It just hurts. It hurts.
Yeah.
Just thinking about all of that, having to pay bills, having to do my own. They didn't even teach us how to pay bills in high school. I know how to do taxes now. Barely.
I'm still trying to figure out how I got all my bills. I don't know how I got them.
I'm coming to you if I have to pay bills.
I'm still trying to figure out how I got my bills.
It's everything is just so stressful, and
You say everything's so stressful.
I haven't even like experienced the real thing.
No, you haven't. You will. Then it's gonna be like, damn, do I really hate high school or do I miss high school?
No, you still will.
No, because everybody get up every year starting August to go to school, and if you haven't enrolled in college yet, or if you haven't started with your plan, your post plan,
That's basically me now.
yeah, then you get bored being at home.
Just watching everybody do whatever they do, and then you're just home
Don't you get bored?
doing nothing. Yes, I get bored all the time.
Don't you wish you could go back? Like,
I mean,
just visit.
okay, I wish I could go back, but not for the actual school part. Some of the people, they were cool,
Yeah.
but like having to like do all the work over and all that, wouldn't do that. Wouldn't do that over. At all.
Yeah, I think that's what most people hate about high school is all those classwork, and you trying to figure out is it really necessary? Are you going to use that ever in life? So
I literally procrastinated and everything. And
that was me.
That was me too. It still is.
I'm the biggest one. Even doing
Oh, you want to bet?
college. No, I think I'm the biggest one. Even doing college, I'll do my work the last minute.
How many times are you gonna drop a potato? I had a 6-page essay that I had to do, and I worked on it last minute. Last minute meaning the day before it was due. And I think I got like a solid 70 on it, a 72. I was passing. I ain't have all the pages, but I still passed. What?
I'm good at writing, so
Oh no.
I could do last minute writing.
Science, my thing. The chemistry, no.
Yeah, science is my thing
That's
too.
my thing.
No, man.
Until I
Mm-mm.
got to calculus.
I could do my writing last minute. I would still pass because I consider myself a good writer.
I mean, writing, I don't like writing, but I like reading.
The only thing about writing is
I hate both.
it can be easy depending on what they're asking for. I like persuasive writing.
If you have to do it yourself, but if it's like, you have to like give information on something, I
I don't like that. The research paper?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, I don't like research papers.
2,000 words.
Mm-mm. Yeah, they be killing me with that.
Or if I could free write it, but like having to actually like go on topic. I don't know why, but every time it's like a certain topic they give you, it's just hard for me to continue to work on it. Cause then I just lose everything. I probably know about it before, but as soon as the paper comes, it's just like everything's
forgot about
blank. Yes.
Well, when you're in college, things don't really change. No, actually, no, I can't. I'm not gonna say college is hard. I'm not even gonna lie and say college is hard. I think it all depends on what you're going to school for. But college is more. It's not as going to college where I say college, high school, where you have like this strict schedule that you have to work on. You have to go to school Monday through Friday. With college, you pretty much set your own schedule. If you want to finish on time and soon, then you'll try to go to school more often. But I don't think college is that stressful, especially if you have financial aid and you're not paying for class out of pocket or have a huge loan that you have to pay back. So college is that stressful, I would say, in my opinion.
That's the one thing I'm afraid of, student loans coming back.
You don't have to get student loans if you know what you're doing. There's people that have degrees and they never got student loans. Some jobs will pay for your school. You just gotta know what you're doing. I don't have any student loans. The other ones was pre-cut.
It was
Oh, is
correct.
this one? It's pre-cut too. Look. No, the actual.
This wasn't it.
Oh my gosh, I'm fighting. See, it's just a little mini seafood boil. It's almost done. Here you go.
Your clumsiness rubbed up on me, Christine. Now I brought you the wrong way.
Like him?
What am I doing now? I can't eat seafood.
I'm debating if I should eat a prawn.
That's why I didn't want to be the first one to grab it.
I'm gonna eat one.
It's because I don't want to deal with the cleaning. Like, having to fight to take it out my teeth.
It's actually sweet though.
Especially I got no flowers.
So do you know what you want to be in life?
Me?
Uh-huh.
No, I'm indecisive.
Mm.
I really, like, there's a few things that I look at and I'm just like, oh, that would be a cool job. But then I try to, but then I try to think about, like, do I see myself doing it long term or just, like, at the moment because I think it's cool.
That's me. I'm still that way, as you can tell. If you ask me what I'm going to school for, I probably can't tell you. Because I'm just confused. But now, as I got older, I feel like I know what I want to go to school for. But it's so hard when you feel like you could do everything in the world.
Because, like, I was just looking at random jobs and I'm just like, this, like, I think I could be good at this, but then it's just like,
You don't
do
know?
you really want to do it? Or is it just like, in the moment kind of thing? Usually it's in the moment kind of thing. 'Cause then I look at it again. I said I wanted to be a pediatrician. But then, as I looked at it, I'm like, I don't really want to be a pediatrician. Because then it's just like...
I used to want to be that, but I don't know what happened.
I used to want to be everything.
Yeah, I guess it's the motivation too.
I even said I wanted to be an engineer. That was recently too.
I wanted to become a nurse, and I'm like, for what? It's like, you want to become this, but you don't know the reason. You have to have the love for it. And like you said, I don't know if those things are things that I want to do forever. And I think that's why I'm more leaning towards business, because usually when you build something from the ground up and you have the motivation, usually you will like what you're doing.
Christy, do you know what you want to be?
Yes, but no. I want to be in the medical field. I know that for sure.
You say yes or no.
But I don't know exactly what I want to be in the medical field. That's why it's like a yes and no.
Not be a pediatrician.
I'm not. Okay. I do.
I thought you wanted to be a foot doctor because you like foot.
I thought she wanted to be like a little, what's it called? A face doctor?
A dermatologist.
A dermatologist.
Skin doctor? Last time she told me she wanted to do foot.
I never told you that.
And after that, she told me she wanted to.
Oh, we love telling lies, huh?
Oh, I don't think I want the whole thing, but
You got the whole thing. I want no more. There's only 2 left. Christy's gonna take the last one. I told you guys a little mini seafood boil. Only for Ashley.
oh, it is pretty. Oh, wait, I didn't crack it the right
Oh wait, I didn't finish it. But at first it's complicated. Then I want. It's
done.
like I want to be a dermatologist, but like, don't want to go to school that long. Oops. But then, what else? I wanted to be a nurse. I don't know what type of nurse. Then,
If you look at it, nurses really don't get paid that much money.
no, it depends on what type of nurse you do.
It depends, but they really don't get
It's
paid
like a
that much money.
CPRN. Hey, they get triple digits a year.
I think that's the reason why I'm not really
But I feel like you have
interested.
You have to be like, if
I
you're
know.
saying showing triple digits, you have to be like really good at it.
With some good experience.
Obviously, God, I would.
It's not just gonna happen as soon as you put your foot in.
I know. I know.
You have to build on it.
Yeah. I mean, but then, like, I want to be, because I don't want to, the reason why I don't want to be a dermatologist, because, like, I feel like eventually I'm going to get tired of it. That's like being a nurse. I could always switch.
Not really.
Like, for example, a surgical tech, I think that's going to be, like, my starter. And then I'll probably transition if I feel like it.
You mean pharmacy? What?
A surgical tech.
You have to go to school for that.
Yeah, I know.
What would you? Okay. Anyways.
Because I'm helping with the surgery. I'm a surgical tech. And I like to see it.
Okay.
The surgery, I like to be there during the surgery. I won't be bored. It's always somebody new. They might be dying. I might help them live. Like, you don't know.
Okay.
But I will have my pharmacy technician license. So I'll technically will be starting with that.
I guess. You need more, I can't even talk, more butter?
I don't know. No,
For now you're good?
No.
I just wanted to get one more sausage before I call it quits.
You full?
Not really.
I'm not full. I'm just tired.
Yeah, because it's late.
This is early for me.
And it was
I'm so tired.
it's really a mini seafood boil because look, you only got 1 crab, a couple of shrimp,
Which I will divide.
a whole bunch of potatoes. I don't even know I put all the potatoes. I put that much potatoes because I was like, oh, Christy, she like potatoes.
I do, but I'm sleepy. Where's my other piece?
Here's what
Other
she
piece
did.
of what?
Because I broke it in half. There's another piece.
Right here. Oh, you didn't even break that one.
No, this was done. Is it already empty? Oh, there it is.
I need to be consistent on YouTube
What was the last video you posted about Kyrie's thing, right?
about me doing the birthday party. The last video. I'm not consistent because I'm so busy.
I was mad I couldn't go.
Oh yeah,
Because, you know.
yeah. But it's all good though. You was here for Thanksgiving.
True.
You had me here for Thanksgiving. I mean for Christmas.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
And my friend too.
Hmm?
My subscribers.
What? Thanksgiving was only terrible for me because I was sick.
Oh, yeah, you're sick, yeah.
Yeah, I was dying. Literally.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah, I need to be more consistent and make time. It's like I have time and then I don't have time.
Me was schoolwork.
So,
I'm like terribly behind. I'm not behind. I still have this essay.
you just do stuff last minute.
Very.
always.
But you know, it's nothing new.
We still need to do king crab. We never had king crab before. Maybe because it's so damn expensive.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta try it when we go to what is it called, Mr. and Mrs. Crab? When they open.
I thought they're open.
I don't know. I pulled them up. I didn't see
Just
it's open.
because you put them out, that means they're not open.
Usually they'll tell you if they're open. They'll pull up in the on the map.
Maybe it might take a minute. Just like, you know, when you build new houses and their address didn't, you know, pull up on the thing yet.
Mm-hmm.
Like Meredith at a point in time. Shout out to Meredith. Hey, Meredith.
I mean, what shrimp we have?
Like 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bread
Five.
from over there.
Yeah, 5.
There's no more sausages. And you know what? I was like, how am I gonna put that much sausage? Cause
That's the thing I really like the most, honestly.
really, I like the sausage too. I'm like, you know, sometimes Chrissy be tripping on sausages. And
How am I tripping? I like those sausages. I am picky with sausages.
Yeah, and I don't know if Ashley's gonna like sausage,
I know.
and this was
I
supposed to
love
be a
sausages.
mini crab boil, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna keep this light. So,
I love sausage.
you love sausages?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to know how you feel about sausages.
Okay, now I feel like I like.
Shake my head.
I'm not. Never mind. It's fine.
All right, so we are cutting it short, and it was just a little introduction
I didn't even do my eyes
to
open.
introduce Ashley.
Wow.
Yeah, she came to visit from Georgia. She's spending Christmas here with us. All right, guys. I know my inconsistent self haven't been here.
Boo, post more.
Haven't been here in a long time. I'm here now. I need to be more consistent. But I came here to, you know, do a little seafood boil and also try the macaroni that one of my viewers recommended, and it was actually pretty good. Thank you. If you guys have any recipe y'all like to share, go ahead and share it with me, and I'll be happy to cook it and let you guys know. Bye. See you guys another time.
Oh, bye.